Hey team, it's Daniel again with the Brazos Valley Boars and Varmits, and so today I'm going to be announcing I'm doing something a little bit different. We're growing in a new direction, and so I have my friend Kevin sitting right next to me, and he does Nocturnal Solutions. The reason I've got Kevin with me is because Kevin has been doing some gear reviews with Paul Tyson over at GearTheHunt.com, and I have been asked to do some of the similar things, but in my fashion. And so he actually lives just a few minutes up the road from me here outside of Bryan College Station. And so this is going to be an easy guy to go hunt with and do stuff with and enjoy spending the nighttime activities out there chasing these hogs like we do. And so you're actually going to start seeing us do quite a few more videos together. The big announcement that I want to make along with this is the fact that Paul over at GearTheHunt.com is going to be sending us thermal scopes just like he's been doing with Kevin, and we'll be doing reviews on these and showing y'all a lot more cool footage from them, which is going to be so much nicer for everybody because I'm not just going to be doing reviews on the scopes that I've had to buy personally and that it's just what has been in my inventory for myself. I'm going to be able to get more stuff that more people are going to want to see, get reviews and hands-on look-throughs. But also at the same time, I want to just be real clear about our relationship. I am not actually on the payroll per se or anything like that with Paul over at GearTheHunt.com. I am, not on anything like that. This is just going to be a mutual relationship. I'm not getting paid per video or anything. Again, this is going to be a mutual relationship that's going to work out best for all of us, including, most importantly, y'all as well. So guys, I really hope that y'all enjoy what we're going to be doing together. This is going to be fun. I'm super excited about it. Take care. Hope y'all enjoy what we're fixing to be doing. Love y'all. Bye.